see it now, guys? You see it now? You should be seeing the live stream channel now. Alright, you see this? Basically now, this dollar CAD is going to keep going lower, so that's why I said put that stop loss. Yeah, some traders are more disciplined. Like, you can wait for, if you want it exactly 85, that's okay. There's nothing wrong with not getting in. It's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. You did the right thing, because that's. So no, but you did right. So then, if anybody got in that euro dollar around 80, what it went to 83, you said. Okay, one of our traders almost got in. Yeah, you're right. Got into 83. So you see that, Jose, Luis, Patricia. What I was saying before, you can get that euro dollar at 85 area and the pound dollar around the 50 area. But you see how I tagged these averages here that I have. This is the zone why I said. Well, let me just move this over here so you guys in the streaming channel can see this too. Are you guys there now? Alright. This area right here was between 85 and the 90 area to go short. See, this is why on days like today, when you have early news, a lot of heavy news at 8:30, it's normally about an hour later, and after the Dow opens, is where you start getting some nice movements. As a matter of fact, it works very well the other way around for day trading. Between 3 and 9 a.m., there's a lot of opportunities, especially leading up to, if you're in some positions early in the morning from London session or opening London session. There's a lot of opportunities as well. But yeah, once the bell opens after early news release on non-farm, you get some nice opportunities about an hour later. So this is pretty much just the start of a lot of nice opportunities. As a matter of fact, this euro dollar now will become a reverse vanilla. So will this pound dollar. So that being said, this this euro dollar at 50, or even around 40 or 45, which is this low here, that right there, that right there, that area is 45. And I apologize, I got to repeat things. It's just that the streaming channel is about 2.5 seconds behind. So if you see this, if you see the 5-minute box is slide down to around 50 or even 45, at that point in time, and I wish William Peterson was here, so he's the one who wanted me to aware him of reverse vanillas on charts. 5-minute box is around this level here, and that's where you're going to pretty much be going long. Pero Reinier, lo que estaba diciendo, si vos estás viendo ahí, las velas estas velas se tienen que respetar, ¿entiendes? No es algo exacto, pero tiene que respetarla como sea. Puede ser mínimo respeto, pero tiene que algo va a pasar cuando vuelva a tocar esos niveles. Y igual con esto se llaman las bandas. Estas bandas es otro indicator que se utilizan muchos operadores. Que tú vienes, mira la banda del centro, mira cómo llegó aquí 2 o 3 veces. Mira cómo llegó ahí al centro, ve que llegó ahí 2 o 3 veces las velas. See that? Eso se tiene que respetar también. So if you guys got in this euro dollar at around 83, you should start taking profits now in this euro dollar. Move your stop loss to break even on euro dollar. Notice your 5-minute box now slide. For those who have the money map, notice the 5-minute box now starting to slide pretty much even to the 1-minute box. Move your stop loss to break even. And wait for the that's a good one. It's okay, man, you'll get there. So guys, notice now the 5-minute box notice the 5-minute box has now even with the 1-minute box on the euro dollar. And then notice, for you guys who are working with Bollinger Bands, notice what the band is doing now. And again, it's gonna start pretty much going horizontal. If we see that, and then we see euro dollar again come down to the mid 40s, then that should be your range. From here, somewhere around here again. Notice we tested this area a couple of times this morning. Now, I'm not the expert in the euro dollar, but pretty much it should work its way out that way. There is no more news for this morning. The only thing left is consumer credit monthly report, and that's at 3 p.m., which is pretty much near the end of the week. And as traders, guys, what you should be doing is, if you had a decent week, even if you had a break-even week, you should be closing books in the next hour, because around 11 o'clock, what happens is, well, a lot of you traders have been around already long enough. You know what happens at 11 o'clock or 11:30. See, guys, on the euro dollar, this is why you take your profits. If you got in around 80, you should have taken your profits because it came down to 60. Okay. Let me move this 60-minute chart out the way on my money map. I'm still holding on to my euro yen. My stop loss is still at 121.80. I pretty much phased out that euro yen out of my my trading mind right now, because it should work its way up to 122.50. But regardless, it's how I mentioned to a lot of you traders here is when you're in a situation like this, you really just leave that trade alone. Rainier, you still in the dollar CAD? 50 and 60 or what? Okay, if this euro yen and pound yen go up, that dollar CAD is gonna fall. Acá hay más. So ten cuidado, pero no más digo, porque if it keeps ranging like it's doing now, like pound yen is at 50. Remember what we told you the other day, that 50 is a strong. Okay, so it's still there. So ve que pound yen no revienta ese nivel. Then this dollar CAD should work out. Pero si empieza de un momento a otro el euro y el pound yen empiezan a hacer así, mira, arriba, then get out of your trade. So Jose, Luis, this is all about scalping. I know that you got in the room before euro dollar tagged 83. So this euro dollar, if you got in around 80, us as traders, what we do as a unit is you take your 8, 9, 10 point profit and you move your stop loss to break even. And what you should be doing is, we were going over this the other day, Jose. You should be entering maximum with 3 minis. That's how I would trade this euro dollar right now. Maximum 3 minis. Vaya sacando punto, Rainier. You have points, right? You should be up.
I got 1 point up.
Oh, you got one? Okay, well then, you see what it's doing now? Now you want to see dollar CAD moves, like, it should move now 3 points up to like 72 or 73. If it doesn't do that soon, then get out. Remember, guys, it's protecting what you have. It's you gotta think first. What am I gonna lose? Not. I want to make 20 more points. Come on, you're gonna get up there. The trade that I'm going over with one of the traders in the room is this dollar CAD is when it tagged the 70 mark here. Sorry, the 60 mark here. The entry was made itself available. And it wants to come back up to these levels here, which is at 73. I'm sorry, 70. Yeah, 73. This is why I was just telling you a moment ago. If it doesn't touch 73 right now, start time to get out of the trade.